Today we're going to be doing a 12 gauge to a muzzle loader. Take a high brass 12 gauge shell. Take a 209 shotgun primer. The high brass shell, cut the plastic off so it's flush with the brass. Do not mess the brass up. Insert the 209 shotgun primer. It's inserted. Insert the brass into the shell. Now, I'm not responsible if you get injured by overloading your muzzle, your 12 gauge. I'm doing 20 grains of triple FG black powder. I know that because this is a 3.1 cc Lee scoop. Pour the black powder into the 12 gauge. Now we are going to take a patch, stick down the barrel. I'm using a wooden dial as a ramrod. Push it down so it's on the powder. I'm going to use one muzzle loading ball. I think it is a 44 caliber ball. Drop it down and then take another patch and stuff it down over the ball. Now you're ready to fire. Cock, fire.
Oh my God, bro.
Ejects normal.
Dang, that bullet right there too.
That is a 12 gauge to a muzzle loader. Only try at your own risk.
No, that's it.